I have got my Glossybox unboxing. This is December's Glossybox. It is in a lovely tin. If you don't know what Glossybox is, it's a monthly subscription box. It ranges from £13 to £16 a month, depending on what subscription plan you get. It'll be on the side of the screen here. I always put it on the side of the screen. I will see my little tin's a little bit dented, which I'm a little bit upset about, but I mean, I think that's just happened in the post. I love that they haven't put the logo massive on this limited edition design. I will keep this little box. I love, love, love. They're listening, but it's still pretty big there, but on the top it is not. If you don't know, if you do Glossybox, the Glossybox subscription, you can review your products that you get in the box, and you can get points, which then you can use on the Look Fantastic website and other websites, which is one of the reasons I love Glossybox, for that reason. Yeah, so you can redeem them points and spend them on the Look Fantastic. I normally get perfume with it, that's me. Yeah, but we're going to see whether this month's box is worth it in any ways. I love the tin. So this is the box here. I'm just gonna scan so I've got the little code here, and anyways I've got the little booklet up on my screen. Should I turn my screen down? I think maybe then you might be able to see it. No. Right, so this is called the Wishful Moments box, and let's just see what we get in this month's box. I'm very excited. I've heard good things. I don't do sneak peeks. Okay, so we've got two little pretty cute products, to be honest. I thought they would have been bigger, to be honest. I knew we were getting this. So I've got two Pixie products. So these are 15ml, and I got both the Glow Tonics. I really like the other one. The Glow Tonic's nice, but it's not like something I would rush out and purchase. But this is a deluxe size. This says it's the award-winning Pixie Tonic will clarify your pores and remove excess impurities to gently exfoliate and cleanse your skin. Loaded with a unique formula containing glycolic acid, aloe vera and red ginseng. Use morning and night, achieve radiant, prepped and hydrated skin ready for the year. This is RRP £10, but I don't think this size is RRP £10. Do you know what I mean? I honestly don't know. That is our first items. The next item is something from the Beauty Crop. I love the Beauty Crop. I feel like the Beauty Crop has really, it's like it blew up on TikTok, but I loved the Beauty Crop before it was popular, so I'm so excited that they are getting the recognition they deserve. Yeah, so we've got a pressed highlight, I think, from the Beauty Crop. So this is it. Yeah, so I'm quite excited about this. This is what it looks like. Oh, how stunning is that? This is in Pear Pressure. You could have got a number 7 highlight. I think I wanted the number 7, but I'm actually quite happy with the Beauty Crop. This is RRP £12. It says gain a hydrated and illuminated glow with the Beauty Crop's liquid highlighter. Liquid? This is a powder. Yeah, this is a powder. I'm going to swatch it for you. Oh, how pretty is that? Yeah, so I don't know whether it's like liquid glow, but it's, yeah. That is definitely not a liquid highlight. Okay. Next we've got something from Monu Skin. Where are you on this little booklet? This is a Rosewood Revive and Mist. It's a beauty bag essential for providing your skin with a quick pick-me-up. I definitely need that. My skin is going nuts at the minute. Infused with a combination of lemon, rosewood and sandalwood essential oils, this mist will awaken and purify your skin whilst refreshing a dull or tired complexion. And this is a deluxe size and it's worth £9.95. Yeah, I'm quite excited about that, very much. If I hadn't just done my makeup, I would have probably trusted it, but I'm wanting my makeup to stay on as long as possible. Right. Next, we've got something that I am like sick of the sight of, and it is the Electricizer Booster. I really like Philip Kingsley as a brand, but I just wish they would put something other than the Electricizer or the Electricizer Booster. I'm just sick of the sight of it. This is a restoring conditioner. It's quite a small size. It's 20ml. with £4.60. It says tame frizz, add elasticity and smooth your hair strands with this elasticizer booster from Philip Kingsley. This hydrating and versatile conditioner will nourish and restore parched hair and overall repair hair condition. Well, I'm going to use this on Kieran's hair tonight, I think, because he needs it. But yeah, I am just a little bit sick of that. Next, we've got something which I'm very excited about. So I don't know whether this is my bonus item, because I can't see it and it's not on the item lists. Yeah, so I think I'm missing like an item. And I think they've replaced it with this, which is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Let me know. I mean, I'm buzzing with this. It's like £30 on its own. So yeah, I'm not complaining. Yeah, because I think we were meant to get this Give Them Layla lip kit. I've not, oh wait, there, is this it? It was hidden. Yes, I've got it, yeah, sorry. I've got this Give Them Layla lip kit duo. I was going to say I didn't get it. This is the lipstick and liner. Let's see what shade it is. Very excited about this. I love a lip product. Oh my god, the packaging on this is beautiful. You could definitely gift this, you know, if you knew somebody who was a lip lover. Oh, what a pretty colour. Yeah, definitely not up my street, so I think I might gift this lip kit as a gift, because it's such like a nice gift. The itself is beautiful, the lipstick itself is beautiful, the packaging. This is worth £22. It really feels lovely in your hand, I must admit. It's just not my sort of shade. I try to tend to stay away. I do like a nude lip. I tend to try and stay away from a certain tone of nude because I haven't got the whitest teeth. This lipstick and lip liner duo will become your go-to for a beautiful lip finish. Both smooth, pigmented and long-lasting, this lipstick will ensure your lips pop, whilst the lip liner will define your lips to give them the shape they deserve. I think that's fab. I'm actually going to gift that. I think it's such a pretty thing. I think that will be a nice gift, and I think for someone who's a lip lover, that is really nice. So we got 7 technically items, but I think these are counted as 1, so 6. So and that's counted as 1 as 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I can't complain. Technically 9 items if you separate them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, technically 8 items if you... Yeah, technically 8 items if you count each individual items. And then 6 items if you count the duos. So I think it's a good box. I really like this. I love the tin. Is it overly majorly exciting? I feel like normally they put like a candle or something in the Christmas ones. I feel like maybe it was missing that, but overall it's a really nice box. Every item I'm quite excited about. The only one that I'm like, oh, I'm sick of the sight of is Philip Kingsley. Really is. I like Pixie Glow Tonic. I think the sizes are like the cutest thing ever. Yeah, so I'm happy with this month's box. I was seriously considering unsubscribing this year, like after this one, but I think I'm going to see what January's box holds now. But the next, we've got the sneak peek, which is the new year is here, Glossies, and it begins with new and exciting challenges, ideas and horizons ready for you to discover. It's great that you're joining us on this journey to discover new beauty horizons. Our January box will delight you not only with its gorgeous special design, but also with its hand-picked product selection. Get inspired with new looks, fresh colours and surprising makeup ideas. Dare to look beyond your horizon to discover a new side of yourself. So yeah, I'm quite excited about that. Yeah, I think it's a good box. I really liked it. What do you guys think of this month's box? Let me know down below. Did you get something different? I feel like I got a good one this month. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.